So guys, very few days left for exams. I know the focus has reduced, efficiency is reduced, the targets are not achieved and much more. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about tips and tricks which are going to double your focus and double your efficiency in studies. Before moving on, if you're new to this channel, I put loads of videos on study plans, study strategies, motivation, and I am going to put for the next 10-15 days, and I'm going to stand strong with you throughout this journey. So do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon. So let me start off with a basic fact. I was astonished about this fact, and that made me realize the importance of time. Guys, we have got just 1440 minutes in a day. I don't know how it sounds for you, but for me it was a reality check. For me it was an eye-opener. Seriously, 1440 minutes only? Because per se we see, apparently we have got 24 hours, but when it breaks down to 1440 minutes, that just drives me crazy. Just 1440 minutes. So this is what I do personally. Whenever I tend to waste time a bit, I quickly tell myself this one single thing. See, you have got 1440 minutes in a day. From that to 700 minutes at least are going to go in sleeping, bathing, eating, and all of the miscellaneous things. So basically you have got just around 700 minutes in a day. That's it. So now think before wasting your time. That changed the ball game. This one particular thing has changed my life, and I think it will certainly change your life also. So keep on reminding yourself of this one thing. So before moving on to our second point, Unacademy is conducting a live session on Sunday, that is 8th of November, जिसमें आपको कुछ भी queries है, you can go and ask. तो मैं एक फॉर्म है जो मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में देती हूँ, उस फॉर्म पे अभी जाके आप फिल कर सकते हो आपकी जो भी क्वेरी है, एंड वो उस दिन पे एड्रेस करेंगे. तो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी कंडक्टेड बाय टॉप एजुकेटर्स. तो आपको जो भी क्वेरी है बिंदास लिख डालो, एंड दैट विल बी आंसर्ड फॉर श्योर. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज, सी आई ऑलवेज से यू टू प्रिपेयर टू डू लिस्ट्स. In this video, I'm going to say you prepare not to do lists. Why? Because see guys, I have seen in my counseling sessions, I have heard this repetitively, कि ma'am, we go on YouTube to watch some revisionary lecture. We watch that lecture, but after that, automatically we start watching some comedy videos, some other videos, time pass, and we see 3 hours are wasted further. And if those 3 hours are wasted, rest of the day are spent in panic, stress, anxiety. And if that day goes waste, next day automatically we feel ki yaar, yesterday also I wasted day, and then the streak of procrastination starts. So this is a thing which you need to keep in mind. Be aware of every single minute you spend, and the moment you do, you prepare not to do lists, you understand what are your time consuming activities. So you guys, I have a task for you today. Jot down 5 activities which are the most time consuming activities in your day, and we are going to do detox of those activities from morning 6 to evening 6. Just an example, you can have your set of 12 hours. So morning 6 to evening 6, you are going to have detox of these particular activities. Yeah. So now the distractions may be social media, girlfriend, boyfriend, some friend, family, cousins, anything it may be. So you have to have detox from these particular activities from morning 6 to evening 6. Divide your morning slot to evening slot in 9 hours, 3 slots of 3 hours each, and take 1 hour of break in between. So suppose you don't have to do any of the tasks which are distracting you, then automatically your focus will go on your physical health and on your mental health. So in these particular hours, start utilizing time for reading something good, watching something good, exercising, meditating, so that ultimately these things act as a cross-functional activity, and these things boost you up to study. And if you do these things now, automatically you will be able to utilize one day as 2 days. See, whenever you watch one video on YouTube, you tend to do it, right? 1.25 speed, 1.5 speed. Whenever you watch a lecture, you do that so that you get more done in less time. So that's what you have to do with your efforts now. Increase your efforts, and those can be increased only if you don't have any distracting tasks, and if your mind is free of some unnecessary thoughts. Trust me, your speed will increase, and the rest days, suppose there are 10-12 days, you can utilize it as 12 days equal to 24 days, and that changes the ball game altogether. Yeah, and after 6 o'clock in the evening, even if you indulge in some tasks, some distracting tasks, you will enjoy that guilt free now. Ki chalo, I have studied throughout the day. This psychology helps, because in those span of 9 hours, you have actually taken out output of 12 hours, and that builds the momentum, and that builds the confidence, and that gets you going for the next days as well. Okay guys, so apply these few tips and tricks. Definitely you are taking one step closer to your goals for sure. Okay, wish you all the best. I am there to help you in every manner I can. If you want to talk about anything, study plans, study strategies, you can register for the counseling session, and I'm there at your service. All the best.